to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne came out and he said that, basically that he would like Marcia to come over and have a conversation with him because he does deserve that. He was going on and speaking of, the relationship that they had and, saying that Marcia is a very nice person. She's not the person that she portrays to be on social media. Basically, he's saying that she's a nice person in person when speaking to her. But Marcia is overall a nice person. She seems very nice. I've never spoken to her before, but she seems very nice, to be a nice person and down to earth person. And Dwayne is saying that about her as well. He's saying that, it hurts him for when people come out on social media to say things about her. It really hurts. And he wanted to know when it's going to stop. So he had, a message for her and wanted her to join him, to speak to him. He went on to say that he had done some things for her, and if he had ill will, it would have gone south, but he didn't have that anything against her. So go and catch the radio, hear what he has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my subscribers, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Jumping out now. Let me just jump in out now. Okay, let me come ask you a question, girl. When are you gonna stop this nonsense? Curly, let me tell you something, Curly. When I say this to you, I'm gonna be speaking to you from my heart. I don't care who don't like me. I don't care if anyone sent you here to harass me. I don't care. I have YouTube channel to me can come on YouTube class, one class. Get a grip of yourself. Curly, today I was today right, I turned on my live stream and someone said to me, I when them big stinking kids broke my internet. I'm telling you, I swear to God. I won't call them who said it, but I said, how them big stinking kids broke off on the internet. Right? I don't know why I turned on that person thing. And it's like it just triggered that person to say that thing. I'm like, oh my God. But trust me, they are right. The person's right. Them right. I want them kids block off the internet, because them kids, them big and kids and workers for some big great on 50-year-old people. Big kids, workers people. They should be doing something way more productive than this. Way more productive than this. I leave this to young folks. You leave this kind of mentality to the young folks. They're not young. Them is all fall. A whole rooster, all in. Right? Let's just be blunt. Them a whole fall, whole rooster, all in. They should be doing something way more productive than this. So now I tell me, say, this is how most people plan to live the rest of your lives. I can't do it. I will not do it like you. I cannot do it like none of you. I can't. I'm in a queue. Let me sit over here, my low horse. Curly, I know you think I don't like you, but Curly, I have nothing. I have nothing against you. Nothing. I'm a little bit disappointed. Yes, I'm a little bit disappointed. Because I know say the person I've spoken to behind closed doors is not this human being. You are such a nice person. You're such a nice soul. You're so jovial. You're a jovial human being. So Kelly, I'm come ask you, when will this stop? When will you stop allowing this to happen to you? When, Curl? Marcia, you could be my mother. You could be my mother, and see how these people come at you day to day and do the things they do to you. You're not my family, but if you was my mom, it would hurt me. It would hurt me. It would hurt me so bad. I'm putting you in the position of my mother. It hurts, Curly. It hurts badly too. It does. Jesus Christ, God. When you can say that never can never take my freedom of speech. make Facebook join on the video. And when enjoy them, me I got pee and it must go back up. It must go back up. Cause me know say I'm not over here doing no nonsense like what Una love to do. Please, I'm begging you, please to share my live stream. Please, I'm begging you. Listen, you know, I realize they love getting people out of character. And oftentimes I allow them to get me out of character, right? But I know who I am. I know who I am, right? And the person I am, I'm telling the truth. They cannot match up to me in terms of eloquence, in education. They cannot match up to me. Yes, my life is in a position now where I can't use my education, but trust me, God gave me a mouth, and God never. Thank God He didn't shut up my mouth so I can use it, and I will not stop using it. Listen, Marcia, I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you from my heart too. Please, I want to talk to you from my heart. I do. I'd love to speak to you from my heart. I'd love for you to come over here and just talk to me, have a conversation with me. Currently, I deserve that. I deserve to have a conversation with you based on everything I've done for you today. Currently, remember, I was the one when the YouTube was messed up. You don't trust people, but you chose to trust me. You gave me access to your YouTube. You gave me access to your YouTube, and I did the things for you. And look at you now. Look at you now, right? You're making a little money now, right? Whatever, $5, whatever, you're making a little money now, right? Which means that you should know that I never, from the inception, I never had any bad intentions towards you, and I will never either. I will never. Me even try to fix a Facebook. Me even tried to fix a Facebook for you. I even tried fixing your Facebook for you so I could help you monetize it, but I feel like with that one, you chose to not trust me, so you gave me the wrong info. I said, I don't care on the kind of rasta God come on a life miserable. My life ain't gonna go nowhere. My life is not going nowhere. You're wasting your time. Marcia, remember, I did a lot for you. This is me, Curly. I'm me doing this. Not because I chose to make peace with Donna. That does not mean like I despise you. Curly, you need to understand that I can make peace Oyasa, and the relationship Oyasa did not have to change. It's not like me and Vanessa's gonna have conversations. We just chose to bury the hatchet. We chose to bury the hatchet, right? And that's okay. That's okay, Curly. I did what I had to do to move forward in my life as best as I could. I did what I had to do to move forward in my life in a meaningful way. And I think you should too. I think you should too, Curly. Curly, why are you so stubborn? Why are you so stubborn, girl? No, why are you so stubborn? You should not be this stubborn. Sometimes, Curly, you should listen to some people, especially the ones who you know means you well. And I know for a fact in my heart, I meant you well. From the day I met you, and for me and start interact, I meant you well. And I will never want bad things for you. Never. Sometimes I come out here, I'm a little bit harsh with my delivery towards you. The reason I'm a little bit harsh is because I want you to hear me. I know you're saying on a family plan social media, but it's okay. There's people out here, you can say, all right, cool, that person even good. Curly, it's not just people who talk to me in a good girl. I mean, no say you probably go on, I want to cuss me, but if you want to cuss me, then it's okay. Maybe you cuss me, then go at it with them. You understand? 1 second. When you can say that harass me, I don't care what no one I don't care if no one harass me. Not for no one don't have nothing to live for. So keep doing you. Me telling you on a light soon go out. On the lights, them soon stop shining. Wait now. Wait, and the light soon stop shining. Where's that phone? I swear they don't want cuss with. I swear they don't want to come bully and harass and tear down. But tear down on a mama. But tear down what? On a mama. Go tear down on a puppers. Go tear down on a pit with them. I them if you go tear down and leave people alone. Let people move on with them life as best as them can. People, you know, say, as someone should have talked like this yesterday, you know, I just saw a caption on another platform from somebody. I'm gonna come talk about the caption. I did not stop to hear what was said in the conversation. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. But just look at the caption, say, okay, cool. This is my topic. This is my topic. And this me gonna talk about. I don't want to hear. I go hear. I don't want to hear. Oh well, I don't business. Me still have a talk. Me still have a talk. So let's get into it. Where's that phone? See it here. Find it. Listen, people. You know, it's a shame. It's a shame that there's a lot of women bloggers out here and a lot of male bloggers out here on is not taking a stand against this bullying mentality and this tear down mentality. And I know for a fact, all of you on a seed, just choose to turn a blind eye because don't want the wrath to turn me. But hear what? I don't care. Let me be the martyr. Only can harass me, only can do anything you want to do to me. Just know, say, one day it must stop. One day it must stop. You hear me? So, Miss One caption on YouTube, and the caption says as follows. It say, well on. I'm not adding anyone on my life but Marcia Campbell. But I add no one on my life but Marcia Campbell. If Marcia Campbell comes over here, I will accept it to come on my live stream and speak to me. But anybody else, but I add anybody on my live streams. So remove your requests. I'm not gonna add you on. Bear in mind, a lot of you don't like me already. So why do you want a request to come on my live stream? Please take it off. Take it off because you're not coming on. You're not. This is my page. You're not coming on. You're not come on. God bless you though. Thank you for coming to my live stream. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Got a light, upliftment, and positivity. And that must say. And not anything else. I'm not here for it. Yes. Big up to my new followers as well. I love you guys. I appreciate you. I don't care who you are. I don't care where you're from. Just know, I know for a fact one of my videos went viral recently. You followed me because of that video. I appreciate you so much. I hope the momentum will continue. I hope whenever I post my little funny videos, all of you will interact with them and will share them and will like them and will just drop your comments, because I'm telling you, I do go back and I read your comments and oftentimes I laugh. I love things that makes me laugh. And when I say things that make me laugh, I mean meaningful things that makes me laugh. Not the tear down stuff. I'm not here for it. I'm not here. I cannot be here for it. Marcia, I'm gonna talk to you now. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, Curly. So Curly, listen. Hi Sharon, good night to you, Sharon. Good night, night, everyone. Good night, all. Thank you for coming to my live stream. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Even you over here who harassed me, I tell you, got harass your man dead cocky. Got harass him dead old when I fuck you good. Cause that's just tormented. If you're a woman, go and harass your man dead cocky when I when I dog you good. And if you're a woman, if you're a man, go and harass your woman big hole when I wet up no more. That's just a tormented. Me on the other hand, me a young boy. I'm a young disabled boy. Alright, I will stop it. You're right, I will stop it. But Sharon, don't you see my life is fluctuating? It's because those people were sent here to harass my live streams, right? Because them feel I'm alone. Okay, let me stay alone. It is better to be alone than indoctrinated into some type of bullying mentality, into some whatever whatever you're in. I refuse. I don't want to be a part. I don't want to be a part of it, and I don't want to be like you. I don't want to be like you people. When that day comes for me to leave this world, I want to say I did my best I can do. Sharon, I stopped. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you. So Marcia, I come to ask you a question, girl. I want to listen me out. Miss one caption on YouTube, and it compelled me to come and speak to you, right? And I don't care if you think I don't mean you well. In fact, I know in my heart, I mean all of you well. I'm one of the only ones out here who is neutral with everyone. I don't like contention. I don't like harassment. I don't like this bullying mentality. I don't like this tear mentality that's been happening out here to other women because those women are not a part of a specific group. No, all of you share one commonality. You all share one commonality. You are all women. Even if one is like a virago, even if one is like a hooligan, on all share one commonalities, women. And it is full time. All of you stand together. United you will stand, and divided you will fall. I mean, how is it remotely possible? How is it remotely possible for a man to be out here just being so narcissistic and so controlling to the point where he has orchestrated women to go up against a big woman like her? Most of you, this woman could be your sister. This woman could be your mother. This woman could be your auntie. Me talk for the younger bucks, them, the younger ones. Them. She could be your mother. She could be your auntie. She could be your sister, right? And I don't care. At this point, she is your sister from another mister or a madam. I want a sister. Miss One caption on YouTube where 369 make and say, curling. THREATENEDM. My question is, right, what can Curly do to him? Bear in mind, men has always been able to overpower a woman, right? Let's be real. What can Curly words, how can her words affect him or trigger him to come out and do whatever he done? I don't know. I don't want to hear it. Or you can go listen for yourself. What can Curly words do to him to the point where he feels compelled to take to the internet and do these things to this woman every day? Go and look at this man's captions. Most of his lives is kaka-I, kaka-I, kaka-I. Because if no said, there's some unfiltered, unscrupulous, I don't know if I call them, fans out here who loves that mentality to tear down people. And they often take the opportunity on his page to tear down Marcia. Not just Marcia, other women too, but we're not focused on them. We're not focused on them right now. We are focused on one Marcia, right? Curly, I don't care. You can despise me all you want. You can not like me all you want. I don't care. Just know that I mean you well. I, Dwayne Fletcher, I mean you well. And at this point, I know for a fact I want the best for you. Whether you think I do or I don't, I want the best for you. I want to see you calm, look at yourself and break up this nonsense. Because Curly, let me tell you, it takes a bold person. It takes a strong-willed person to say, yes, I am done. It's Curly, nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong to say, okay, let me accept defeat. Nothing is wrong. So by you doing this, let them move on. Because whenever that day come, Marcia, I promise you, this person in them now have nothing to chat about, nothing at all to talk about. You know, see what I go on? They are using you to bully you. Not just bully you, they are harassing you. You are the same too. No, I'm not. No, I'm not the same. Marge, I am not the same. Marge, thank you. Marge, how am I the same? Expatiate your conversation. How? Me know see you come from other people in page. How am I the same, Marge? Please enlighten me so I can get clarity. Enlighten me. How am I the same? Madge, how am I the same? Let's talk about it, Madge. How am I the same? Amoano. Madge, am I on here? Am I on my page bullying women? Madge, am I on my page every day tearing down women? Madge, I'm asking this question because you say I'm the same. Madge, am I on here harassing women because I want to make a $5, $10, $10, $20? Am I on here doing that? Even if I have in the past, Madge, can you tell me when was the last time you saw me done that? And to me, I don't believe my heart I harassed anyone. In fact, all I did was replayed people's content. That's all I did, Madge. Thank you, Madge. Madge, I am not the same. Madge, how am I the same, Madge? Please enlighten me. I would love to have clarity from you. Moa, you tell me all I'm saying, because whatever, maybe you can